Today we're going to learn several verbs that they are really practical, beneficial for explaining a recipe. We'll have a great recipe for a delicious pasta. That way you will learn how to use these words in real context and how to use them for explaining and talking about a food recipe. Let's get started with the first verb. What does it mean to boil something? It means to cook something in boiling water. For example, boil the pasta until it is soft. Until it is soft. Number 2, slice. It means to cut the food into thin and flat pieces. For example, slice the bread for the sandwiches. Slice the bread for the sandwiches. Dice. Dice means to cut the food into small cubes. For example, dice the onions for the stew. Dice the onions for the stew. Grind. Grind means to crush food into small pieces or powder. For example, grind the coffee beans before brewing. Grind the coffee beans before brewing. Number 5, add. Add means to combine ingredients. For example, add salt and pepper to salad. Add salt and pepper to salad. The next one, number 6, saute. Saute means to cook food quickly in a shallow pan with just a little oil or fat. For example, before adding other ingredients, we should saute garlic and onion. It means we should cook onion and garlic just in a little oil. And now it's time to move on to the next verb, cooking verb. And let me tell you something before continuing with the next one. I want to ask you something. Did you find this lesson useful? If you like this video and you enjoy that, I want you to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. That way you do not miss any of my future videos. Thank you, and let's continue with the next one. Number 7, fry. Fry means to cook food in a hot oil or fat. For instance, fry the potato until it is golden brown. Rinse. Rinse means using water to clean food. For example, rinse the vegetables under running water. Rinse the vegetables under running water. The next one, number 9, toast. Toast is another verb that is used in cooking. And what does it mean? It means to toast something or to crisp something, to brown something. Specifically, it is used for bread, using heat. For example, toast the bread for the breakfast. It means use the heat to brown the bread nice and make it crispy. And now it's time to talk about the next cooking verb, roast. I think you have heard that, and it is mostly used for chicken. What does it mean when someone roasts something? In this situation, we cook the food in an oven with dry heat. For instance, roast the chicken for 2 hours. The next one is marinate. Marinate. I like the word. And what does it mean? Marinate means to soak food in a seasoned, often acidic liquid for some time to enhance the flavor and to tenderize, to make it tasty and to tenderize. To tenderize means to make it soft. For instance, marinate the steak before grilling. It means make it softer and more flavorful. The next verb is drain. Drain. Drain means to remove the excess liquid from the food. We use colander to drain the pasta or to remove the excess liquid or water from it, okay? And for the recipe, we can say, drain the pasta after cooking. It means pour it into the colander to remove the excess liquid, okay? I hope you got it. Before moving on to the next part, let me ask you a question. How much fried food do you use? Just a little or a lot of fried food? And do you think fried food are beneficial? They are healthy or they are unhealthy food? Let me know in the comments below. And now it's time to continue with the next part. Steam. Steam means cooking food with hot steam. And how we can do that? For steaming food, we put the food into a rack and put the rack above boiling water. That way we can cook food. Look at this example. I steamed carrots. I steamed carrots for dinner. And finally, the last verb, serve. Serve. It means to provide food to others for consumption. When we want to eat something, okay, and we take them to the table, to dining table, and we serve the food and we start eating that. This action is called serving. Well, we learned a lot of cooking verbs. And now it's time to fix our understanding and to see how to use those verbs for explaining a food recipe. We're going to learn how to cook an American pasta with ground meat. Look at here. Well, American style pasta with meat sauce. Look at here. Number one, the first step, boil. Boil pasta according to package direction. The first verb that is used here is boil. Boil pasta. Put it into boiling water and cook it. Step 2. Dice an onion and slice a bell pepper. Dice an onion means cut the onion into small cubes. And slice bell pepper, it means we cut the bell pepper into flat, thin pieces. Step number 3. In a pan, saute the onion and bell pepper with ground beef. Step number 4. What should we do? Add. We are using the verb add here. Add a jar of marinara sauce to the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, we must add marinara sauce to the onion and bell pepper and ground beef. And what is the next step? Drain the cooked pasta and add it to the pan and add it to the pan. Drain the cooked pasta and add it to the pan. And what is the next step? Well, it is the final step. And what is that? Look at here. Step number 6. Mix everything together and serve with grated cheese on top. Look at here. We have two different verbs here again. Mix and serve. Mix everything together. Yes, mix everything together and serve with grated cheese on top. And what is grated cheese? When we use this tool for having smaller pieces of cheese, we have grated cheese. Well, that's a wrap. We covered a lot of cooking verbs, and from now on, I am sure you will be able to talk about a food recipe, to explain a food recipe. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your supporting, and see you later.